you listen to your dogs, you can hear them talk. He said, hey, I'm kind of a new kid here. I don't think they like me. They don't want to talk to me. Want to play with a stick? Hey, why did you want to play? I don't think these guys like to play with me. He's a little guy, isn't he? Boy, these guys are big, aren't they? I don't think they like to play with me. Hey, I got a stick. I got a stick. We could play stick. Get away from me with your damn stick. Give him a good sniff. See if he is one of us. Here, I got a stick with 2 parts to it. Maybe this thing wants to play. He thinks that green thing is one of us. Want to play stones? How about over here by the tree? How about 3 guys' stones? Ooh, maybe this thing is one of us. Go ahead, give the old man a bite. Go ahead, bite him in the ear and go. You know, Dad, I don't think these guys are too bad after all. Well, give him a sniff. What do you think? Give him a sniff.